Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video we will talk about how to download latest versions of Kali Linux. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can continue to get the latest content from this channel. If you already subscribed, let's go to the tutorial. The first thing to do is go to the download link. Choose installer image. Scroll down and see the download options. Can be downloaded using a normal browser, and there is also an option to download using torrent. If downloading using a browser takes a long time, in my experience, I suggest using torrent because the download is more stable. Wait until the download is finished. And that is how to download latest versions of Kali Linux. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box below. I hope this video is useful, and I'll see you in another video.